Hey everyone, welcome back. So today we're going to be doing something a little different. I'm going to be reviewing this toilet brush that I kindly got gifted by Clean Simple. They kindly reached out a few days ago and they sent me this. So today I'm going to be trying it out. I'm actually really excited because I've been seeing this toilet brush online and I've been wondering how well they work. So in today's video you're going to be seeing me try it out on two different types of toilet because it claims to give a deep clean on all different surfaces. So we're going to be trying it out. If you are interested in the toilet brush, I will put down the link down below and you guys can go straight to the shop and you can purchase it from there. I love how compact it is. I love how you can clip it and make it work. The design is really nice. I love the silicone head and the lid. It's small enough for you to be able to put the disinfectant, and there's little clips you can put on the wall to hang your toilet brush. So great design. So this is what the toilet brush looks like on a closer view. I'm going to basically start you cleaning the toilet with it, but first I just thought let me have a feel for it. It's basically really lightweight, like you're holding maybe like a school ruler. It's just that light, and I really love the design. If I'm honest, I love the design. It's not bulky and you can take it apart. So you clip it in and then you can unclip it like so, which makes it very easy for those hard to reach areas. So I'm just going to zoom in onto the brush itself. It's really flexible and I love how it feels. And they did say it's made out of silicone, so I love that. And you know, if just looking at it and feeling it, it is very flexible, which is really great for those hard to reach areas, especially around the rim of the toilet. So this will be great. I'm really excited to try it out now. I also like the lid fitter, which I think is fantastic. It's small enough, you know, to fit the toilet brush, but also you can put your disinfectant inside. It's really compact. It's really cute. Honestly, I really love the design. It's really new compared to all the bulky ones that we currently have, and you can just slip it in and out. So in terms of length, it's about your average adult arm length, so which is really good, and it can fit. I'm now gonna clean the toilet and see how well it works. Honestly, I'm very much impressed with how lightweight it is. Like that's just so great. It's amazing. So I'm now going to get my Harpic toilet cleaner and I'm going to pour it into the toilet. So first impression, it glides really well against the toilet and it goes really well inside the rims, which is fantastic, especially if you're really trying to get into those grooves, and you can actually unclip it. If it's too long for your arms, you just unclip it and then you just work on those edges of the rim, which is absolutely fantastic because that's where sometimes limescale builds up and you have those little bits that come out. You can clip it back on and just continue cleaning the toilet. So I love how you can unclip it and clip it back on when you need to. Very simple. So far, really impressed. Simple, effective, especially all the hard to reach areas which we normally forget about. I think this brush is fantastic for that. I'm actually quite interested to see how well it works against a toilet which is filled with hard water, limescale buildup and all that stuff. So the next toilet that I'm going to be doing next is going to have a bit of limescale, so I'm interested to see if the bristles will remove the limescale. So this is toilet number 2. Like I mentioned, it does have a bit of limescale, as you can see. So I want to test out the silicone head if it's going to work well to get rid of that limescale. I'm going to use some Harpic toilet tablets down there, so let's do that first. These will help loosen up the bit of limescale that's already in there. So I've chucked it in. I'm going to leave it for a couple of minutes and see how well it's going to work. So we're going to try and see if it's really effective against limescale. I know it works really well on a normal toilet without limescale, or without any limescale built up. Give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying the content so far, and let me know in the comment section below if you have used this type of toilet brush before. So I'm really going to work around the areas where the limescale is built up, and I'm really going to dig right into the areas, like as you can see, where the limescale was primarily. So I've had to flush the toilet because I realized that you can still see the color of the tablet, and now we can see the limescale and, you know, the toilet. without the color of the tablet, so it's easy for you to see if the lime scale is coming off, so you're working with me. So far it's not 100% effective compared to a normal bristled brush. I think the brush would literally go in and scrub off all the hard water. So because it's made out of silicone, I think it's not really effective against hard water and lime scale. But overall, I think it's fantastic. Like you can see, it works really well on the ridges. It goes in well. Like it's a fantastic design. It's a fantastic brush. But in terms of lime scale, I don't think it's really great for scrubbing off the lime scale. But overall, honestly, I am really impressed. I love how lightweight it is. I love it's just made out of silicone, and it's so soft, and you know, it literally glides on your toilet and works really well with your toilet cleaner. So great combination. I'm really, really impressed, but it's not so great, like I said, when it comes to removing hardcore lime scale. But overall, it's very sturdy and it's very durable, so I highly recommend this product. If you haven't already tried it, I can post you the link down below and you guys can check it out and purchase from the store, from Amazon. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below if you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you guys on the next video. You have a lovely day. Bye.